Hello guys, in this video, ituturo ko lang sa inyo kung paano mag-login sa ating My SSS account gamit ang ating cellphone this 2025. So, punta lang tayo sa Chrome, Google Chrome, and then i-type natin sa search icon, ito SSS member login. So, itong first na lalabas. So, click natin yan, my.sss. So, from here, provide lang natin yung ating user ID and password. So, user ID. So, after filling up yung ating user ID and password, so, click lang natin itong sign in. Preferred method. One-time PIN. Ay, click pala natin yun. So, click pa natin yun before sila mag-provide ng PIN. One-time PIN or OTP. So, hintayin lang natin yung OTP. So, ayan na guys, nakapasok na tayo sa ating profile. So, ayan na guys, makikita natin itong view contribution. So, dito, pwede natin i-click dyan. Your password has expired and action to proceed waive using your current password or change. So, i-waive lang natin. So, mag-i-stay yung password natin. Okay. So, I agree na yan. Yan. So, yan yung ating contribution. January, February. So, yung latest contribution natin yan. Total number of contribution posted is 80. So, yan pa lang yung total na na-contribute natin. So, ganun lang guys. Ayan guys. So, ito. View contribution. So, pwede natin i-view dito yung ating contributions. Pay contributions. You don't have a generated PRN. So, hindi tayo pwede magbayad kung walang PRN. So, pay loans. Also, it needs PRN para makabayad tayo ng ating loan kung meron tayong loan. So, other services, ito, salary loan, pension loan, pwede natin i-check kung may existing loan. So, dito, makikita ang ating salary loan, pension loan, calamity loan, condonation, maternity benefit, unemployment, sickness benefit. So, pwede tayong mag-apply kapag nakapag-absent tayo ng work ng dahil sa sakit. So, pwede nating applyan sa SSS ng sickness benefit. So, ayan na guys. So, that's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Bye!